Anything that has mass and occupies space. Which of the following is not a state of matter? A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Light, D. Gas. And
Welcome to my channel, e-learning academic avenues. Please like, share and subscribe.
C. Light. Why does ice float on water? Ice floats on water because it is less dense than liquid water. How does heat affect the states of matter? Heat can change the state of matter by increasing the energy of particles, e.g. melting or boiling. What is the importance of diffusion in daily life? Diffusion helps in processes like the spreading of perfumes, exchange of gases in respiration, etc. Why does water take the shape of its container, but ice does not? Water is a liquid and flows to take the shape of the container, whereas ice is a solid with a fixed shape. How does pressure affect the boiling point of liquids? Increased pressure raises the boiling point of liquids, while decreased pressure lowers it. Explain why gases are compressible while solids and liquids are not. Gases are compressible because their particles are far apart, while solids and liquids have closely packed particles. Give two examples, each of substances that undergo sublimation and evaporation. Sublimation, camphor, dry ice. Evaporation, water, alcohol. What happens to the energy of particles during condensation? The energy of particles decreases during condensation. Name the three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. What is the process of changing a solid directly into gas called? Sublimation. Which state of matter has a fixed shape and volume? Solid. Explain the term molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance that retains its chemical properties. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. State one property of gases. Gases can flow and take the shape of their container. Why are solids incompressible? Because the particles in solids are tightly packed. Describe the properties of solids, liquids, and gases with examples. Solids, fixed shape and volume, e.g. ice. Liquids, fixed volume, no fixed shape, e.g. water. Gases, no fixed shape or volume, e.g. oxygen. What is the difference between evaporation and boiling? Evaporation is a surface phenomenon occurring at any temperature, whereas boiling is a bulk phenomenon occurring at a specific temperature. Why does ice float on water? Ice floats on water because it is less dense than liquid water. How does heat affect the states of matter? Heat can change the state of matter by increasing the energy of particles, e.g. melting or boiling. What is the importance of diffusion in daily life? Diffusion helps in processes like the spreading of perfumes, exchange of gases in respiration.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.